PrimeOS is a free Android operating system that enables users to run Android apps and games on their PCs, laptops, or virtual machines. We can run it on low-end PC thanks to its various versions: Classic, Standard, and Mainline. There are two methods to install it. You can either install it by burning the ISO file onto a DVD or create a bootable USB flash drive on your physical device. Alternatively, you can use a virtual machine such as VirtualBox or VMware. In our case, we will install it on Ubuntu using VirtualBox. But in the next video, I will install it on my old PC using a bootable USB. Let's begin by installing VirtualBox. Open the terminal in Super User mode. Download the latest version of VirtualBox using the following command. I will include all the commands in the description of this video. Now we are going to install it. Now you can access the mentioned website to download the chosen Android system virtual disk. Please check the selection of the VirtualBox section. Now we will select the version according to CPU based on the information at the beginning of the video. In my case, since my CPU was created after 2014, I will install the mainline version. I kindly request you to subscribe and like the video to support me. Now let's navigate to the download folder and extract the downloaded file. Now we open VirtualBox to create the VM. Click on the button New and give it any name you desire. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the minimum RAM requirement is 2 GB, and you can add more if you have sufficient resources. To set up the disk, we need to select Use an existing virtual hard file and add the file that we have already downloaded. Now we access the settings to configure the video RAM. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, the minimum RAM required for the video is 216 MB, and you can add more if you have enough memory. Click on Start to launch the virtual machine. After starting the system, access the Play Store using your Google account and install the application or game you want. In my case, I'm going to install Subway Surfers.